Hi Shravani.
Hey, hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. So, would you like to tell me something about your college?
Our college?
Yeah.
Oh God, do you have all day?
No, for now I have only 1 minute.
Okay. So, I'll introduce myself. I'm Shravani Tangirala, an alumni student of St. Anne 2014-17 batch, and I've been the college co-leader 2017. I have done my post-graduation MSc Statistics and now a student of MSc Maths. I recently got selected as a clerical assistant at Union Bank of India, and I'm a tutor at Trivium and Check.com. So, most importantly, I'm the student of St. Anne, alumni St. Anne. So, about our college, I have most importantly 5 things to tell. The first one is the environment. It's so serene and friendly that you feel like going to college every day. And then the discipline that we acquire from the college. Wherever we go and whatever we achieve, the discipline makes our path even more comfortable. So that is what we learn in St. Anne. And then the responsibility. Once we enter the college, we enjoy, we make friends here, and then when we step out, we carry the responsibility, and we will be caring because we represent Saint Anne wherever we go. And then about the so when we talk about the co-curricular activities and skills, wherever we project our skills on any platform, these co-curricular activities that are conducted in our college help a lot to learn and to exhibit wherever we go. And then when we talk about our the education in St. Anne, our teachers are the best. And be a part of St. Anne and you carry the aura. Thank you.
Hello everyone, here's Radhika from BSc Stats 2015 to 2018 batch. First of all, a very warm welcome to all the new pretty faces who stepped into this college with fresh thoughts, high hopes and aspirations. I assure you all that all your ambitions will be accomplished with immense support and guidance of our beloved management over here. Coming to myself, I have learned a lots and lots of things which just cannot be said in a moment. I'm thankful to all the wonderful Anite family who trained me and made the person I am today. Here at St. Anne's, I have had good balance of both academics as well as social activities, due to which I have had all-round development and was able to get into my dream company, Infosys. Most of the college experience lies outside the classroom. Your social interactions, your relationships, your activities may be just as important as your studies. Your college experience will be what you make it, and your opportunities will be limited by the limits you place on yourself. I just want you to make the most of your time here at St. Anne's. I wish you all every success at St. Anne's, and I'm confident that you will find it an immensely rewarding experience. Thank you. Have a great journey ahead.
Hello everyone, this is Shafeen Firdoz and I am from 2015 to 2018 batch. I was a student of BSc Electronics and St. Anne's for me was my second home. It was a blessing for me to be a part of St. Anne's, and I do have unforgettable memories with St. Anne's. Uh, Not only along with education, St. Anne's has also given me values which are helping me in personal and professional life. So we do have a best faculty in St. Anne's which will always help you in academics and also in extracurricular activities. This has guided me, and due to this reason maybe I think that now I am in good position, and the trainings and skills and the values and academics given in St. Anne's for me has made me a better individual and helped me to grab a job in Cognizant. Currently, I'm working in Cognizant from past 2.5 years, and I would like to thank everybody in St. Anne's, my teachers, my principals, everybody. Thank you for always being there and guiding me. Thank you, everyone, and I would proudly say that I'm a knight, and because of that I am a strong associate in my office. Thank you everyone for always being there. Thank you everyone. Thank you juniors. Have a wonderful journey in St. Anne's and all the best.
Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. I am Navya from BSc Statistics 2015 to 2018 batch. For me, St. Anne's is really a great experience. Before, I was good at academics, but after coming here, I realized that being only good at academics is not enough. There is something else needed to be successful in life. So I realized that keeping balance of both academics and all-round development is needed to be successful. So I slowly started improving myself. I've started coming out of my comfort zone by participating in activities conducted by the college. During this time, I have received a lot of encouragement from management, lecturers, and friends. So this improvement, this confidence made me placed into India's topmost company Infosys, and I'm very happy with that. Finally, I want to say one thing, that college gives you so many opportunities. Go grab every opportunities, try to improve yourself, prove yourself, and inspire others. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka. I'm from 2016 to 19th batch. I have studied BSc Statistics from St. Anne's Degree College. Presently, I'm working in Google for duplex process. My package is 2.5 per annum. The reason why I'm here because of St. Anne's. It has taught me so many things. Not even one thing. It gave me so many opportunities to prove myself, to learn more and more. I have learned communication skills, soft skills, interpersonal skills, and even how to be confident enough when you are on a particular thing to do. So this is because of all my lecturers and our principal sister Amy. I would like to thank everyone from bottom of my heart, because they have encouraged us a lot and lot, so that we can be very good to prove ourselves how well we are. So I wish everyone to be confident enough and come out and show that how good you are in doing things. So I thank everyone for giving me this opportunity. Thanks everyone. Bye.
Hi, this is Harshini from BSc. I worked as a college leader for academic year 2019 and 20. It was a great pleasure for being a college leader. My journey as an ANET, it was very interesting, and everyone encouraged me and supported me in every situation. Thank you very much, and the faculty and the staff who have encouraged me, they have motivated me, and they taught me how to face the challenges. Thank you very much. I would like to thank Sister Emmy for changing me a lot and a lot. Thank you, Sentence, for having a great transformation from an introvert to an extrovert. It was very good. I've changed a lot and a lot. I would have a stage fear before joining in Sentence. Now I don't have any stage fear. I can speak on the stage. Thank you very much. I would like to thank Sentence for this everything. Thank you. And I would like to thank our juniors for conducting an virtual farewell for us. Thank you very much. We are the first batch who have done this. Thank you, thank you. And I'm very happy for being a proud Anite. Thank you very much.
All students can learn and succeed, but not in the same way and not in the same day. Greetings to everyone. This is Kirti from BSc MECS 2K16. 4 years back, I was in the place with fear, anxiety, doubts on what I'm going to do with these 3 years, how I'm going to mold myself and build myself. But still, there's a hope that this college worth everything. Here in St. Anne's, despite maintaining all my academic score, I also have extracurricular activities that help me to communicate effectively in my personal and professional life. And the only reason that I would say for that is the college management and the teachers. The liberty that they gave us, the freedom that they gave us. What they want from us is not just studies, but they want us to excel in everything, always and all the time. So the big credit goes to our college. Because of this, I got placed in Simplified Wellness, that is Dr. C. I give all these credits to the entire college and everybody who involved in these 3 years of my journey. Thank you.